Hello everyone, I am Nikki and today I had to explain to a repairman why man's sink was making a glug glug sound.
And I'm Ash. Nikki, that exactly what essential conversation is. It is not always about big dreams. Sometimes it's just about getting the sink fixed.
Today we are covering the functional language you need for appointments, local services and social etiquettes.
We are starting question number 1 and heading to 100. This is the home stretch before we hit the big questions.
Let's get practical. Point number 1, making and changing appointments.
Organizing your time with professionals.
Question number 1, hello, I would like to book an appointment please.
Certainly, what kind of service are you looking for?
Second, Ash, do you have any openings on Wednesday?
Let me check. Yes, we have a slot at a 10 a.m.
Third, Ash, is 2 p.m. okay for you?
That works perfectly for me.
Four, what is the address of the clinic?
It's at 450 Main Street on the third floor.
Five, I need to reschedule my appointment.
No problem. Would you like to move it to next week?
Six, can I cancel my booking?
Yes, but please let us know 24 hours in advance next time.
Seven, who am I meeting with?
You are scheduled to see Dr. Miller.
Eight, do I need to bring anything?
Please bring your ID and your insurance card.
Nine, how long will the appointment take?
It is usually last about 45 minutes.
10, is there a waiting list?
Yes, we can call you if someone cancels.
11, Ash, I am running 5 minutes late.
Thanks for letting us know. We will see you soon.
12, can I book a haircut for Saturday?
Saturday is full, but we have space on Sunday morning.
13, do you accept walk ins?
We prefer appointments, but we can fit you in if it's not busy.
14, should I wait the launch?
Yes, the doctor will be with you shortly.
15, Ash, thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Point number 2, at the post office and bank, managing your mail and your money.
Question number 16. Nikki, I would like to send this package to Canada.
Would you like standard or express shipping?
Question number 17. How much does it cost to mail a letter?
It depends on the weight and the destination.
18. Nikki, do I need to fill out of custom forms?
Yes, since it is an international shipment,
19. Where can I buy some stamps?
you can get them right here at the counter.
20. What is the tracking number?
It's printed at the bottom of your receipt.
21. I need to open a new saving account.
I can help you with that. Do you have your passport?
22. I would like to withdraw some cash.
There is an ATM outside, or I can help you here.
23. What is the current exchange rate?
Today, $1 is worth about 0.92 euros.
24. Can I deposit this check?
Yes, just sign the back of it first.
25. My card is not working.
Let me check if there is a block on your account.
26. What is the monthly fee for this account?
This account has zero fees if you keep a minimum balance.
27. Can I transfer money online?
Yes, Our mobile app is very easy to use.
28. I have lost my credit card.
We need to cancel it immediately to keep your money safe.
29. When does the bank close?
We are open until 5 p.m. on weekends.
And question number 30. Thank you for the confirmation.
Happy to help.
Thank you. Point number 3. Giving and receiving direction. Finding your way around the neighborhood.
Question number 31. Excuse me, is there a grocery store near here?
Yes. Go straight and turn left at the traffic lights.
32. How do I get the highway?
Follow this road for 3 miles and take the second exit.
33. Ash, is the library within walking distance?
It's quite far. You should probably take a bus.
34. Ash, where is the nearest gas station?
It's just around the corner next to the park.
35. Ash, is this the way to the city center?
No, you need to go back the way you came.
36. Ash, which floor is the cafeteria on?
It is on the basement level next to the elevators.
37. Can you show me on this map?
Sure, we are here and the museum is over there.
38. Is there a shortcut to the station?
If you walk through the alley, you will save 5 minutes.
39. Is the entrance on this side?
No, the main entrance is at the back of the building.
40. What is that building over there?
That is the old clock tower. It is a famous landmark.
41. Ash, are we lost?
Think so? Let's stop and ask someone for help.
42. Does this bus go to the mall?
Yes, it is the final stop on this line.
43. Ash, where can I park my car?
There is a parking garage under the shopping center.
44. How long is the walk?
It is pleasant 15 minutes walk.
45. Ash, I found it.
Great job.
Point number 4. Making requests and asking favors. Being polite while getting things done.
Question number 46. Could you do me a favor?
Of course. What do you need?
47. Would you mind helping with this bag?
Not at all. It's look very heavy.
48. Can you pass me the salt?
Here you go. Anything else?
49. Do you have a spare charger?
I do. You can borrow it for the afternoon.
And question number 50. Could you speak a little louder?
Oh, sorry. Is this better?
Question number 51. Would it be okay if I left early?
As long as your work is finished, that's fine.
52. Can you give me a hand with the dishes?
I will be there in just a second.
53. Would you mind turning down the TV?
Sorry, I didn't realize it was so loud.
54. Could you check my spelling?
Sure, let me take a look at your draft.
55. Can I borrow $10 until tomorrow?
No problem. Just remember to pay me back.
56. Would you mind closing the window?
I will do it right now. It is getting chilly.
57. Could you explain the one more time?
I would be happy to. Let's look at the first step again.
58. Can you hold my seat for a minute?
Sure, I will make sure nobody takes it.
59. Would you like some help with the dinner?
That would be amazing. Thank you.
And question number 60. Nikki, I really appreciate your help.
Anytime, Ash.
Point number 5. Complaining politely. How to fix a problem without being rude.
Question number 61. Excuse me, I think there is a mistake on my bill.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me recalculate that for you.
62. This soup is a bit cold.
I'm sorry. I will take it back to the kitchen and heat it up.
63. I have been waiting for 20 minutes.
I apologize for the delay. Your order will be ready very soon.
64. This isn't what I ordered.
I am my apologies. I must have brought you the wrong plate.
65. The Wi Fi is my room isn't working.
I will restart the router and see if that fix the issue.
66. Ash, it's a bit noisy in the room next door.
I will call them and ask them to keep it down.
67. There is a stain on this shirt I just bought.
I'm very sorry. Would you like to a refund or an exchange?
68. The air conditioning is too strong.
I will adjust the thermostat for you immediately.
69. I'm not happy with the service today.
I am sorry to hear that. How can we make it better?
70. The elevator is broken again.
We have a technician coming to fix it this afternoon.
71. Ash, this milk smells a bit sour.
Check the expiration expiry date. We should throw it out.
72. Ash, you forgot to call me back.
I am sorry. My days was much busier than expected.
73. Ash, the water pressure is very low.
I will have the plumber look at the pipes tomorrow.
74. Ash, the sink is still making that sound.
I will call the repairman again right away.
75. Thanks for fixing the problem.
Of course, we want you to be happy.
Point number 6. Common items and slang. Sounding more like a native speaker.
Question number 76. Nikki, what does piece of cake mean?
It means something is very easy to do.
77. Are you under the weather?
Yes, I feel little bit sick today.
78. Why did you say break a leg?
It's a way to wish someone good luck before a performance.
79. Let's call it a day.
Good idea. I'm tired and ready to go home.
80. What is small talk?
It's polite conversation about unimportant things like the weather.
81. Don't beat around the bush.
You are right. I will tell you exactly what I think.
82. She is on cloud 9.
She must be very, very happy about her news.
83. That cost an arm and a leg.
Wow, it must be extremely expensive.
84. Are we on the same page?
Yes, I think we both agree on the plan.
85. So far, so good.
Everything is going well up to this point.
86. What does hang in there mean?
It means don't give up, even if things are difficult.
87. Better than late than never.
I agree. I'm glad you finally arrived.
88. She hit the nail on the head.
She described the situation exactly right.
89. Nikki, let's get the ball rolling.
Let's start the project right now.
And question number 90. Nikki, is English your cup of tea?
Yes, I absolutely love it.
Very good, Nikki.
Thank you, Ash.
Now reaching 100 question, the final countdown to 100.
Question number 91. Ash, we are at question 91.
We have covered almost a 90 question, Nikki.
92. Do you feel fluent today?
I feel like I can handle any glug glug sound life throws at me.
93. What is question 93?
It is, what is your favorite English word?
94. Is it serendipity?
That's a beautiful one. It means finding something good by accident.
95. Will part next part for big finale?
Yes, we are heading for the 100 question and grand finish.
96. Only 4 more to go.
I can feel the excitement.
97. Ash, should we have a party at 100?
We should definitely celebrate with our listeners.
98. Ash, are you ready for the final 100?
I will never be more ready.
99. What is question 99?
It is, do you believe in yourself?
And last 100 question. What is the 100 question, Ash?
It is, are you ready to finish what you started?
I am ready for the 100 questions milestone.
Very good, Nikki.
Ash, we did it. 100 questions. We are just 100 questions away from massive goal.
Nikki, those 100 questions are tools in our listeners' pocket. They can handle banks, post office, and even road soup.
To everyone who stayed with us, you are so close. Don't stop now.
If you reach 100 today, comment 100 club below in comment section. We are so proud of you.
Subscribe to
Learn
Learn
English
English
together.
Together. Like the videos and get ready for the grand finale.
And we coming soon in next part.
See you at the finish line.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.